Hey guys, how's it going? How to find Roblox servers. So open the Roblox app or website. Use the games tab to discover games or search for a specific game in the search bar. Click on the game that interests you. The game page will show the current servers it has. Scroll down to the servers section to see a list of available servers. Click on the server to join. You can also see the player count and whether the server is private or public, and you can use these steps to find and join Roblox servers easily. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.